Before you rush into your day, come spend a few peaceful minutes with me. Today we're making one of my favorite summer teas, strawberry mint tea. Let's go, y'all. And ending my moment with one of my favorite visitors. There's something special about slowing down before the day gets busy. Earlier today, I gathered everything I needed to make a fresh batch of strawberry chocolate mint tea. And let me tell you, the mint was minty. This chocolate mint smells so good. But let's get on back inside to start the process. I started with black tea, then added sweet strawberries and some chocolate mint from the garden. You'll need a 1-gallon jug. The process is simple, but the aroma is incredible. And it's a very simple combination. One thing I've learned over the years is that gardening doesn't end when you harvest. Sometimes the greatest rewards are bringing those fresh ingredients into your kitchen and creating something that nourishes both your body and your spirit. While the tea was steeping, the entire kitchen filled with the scent of strawberries and mint. For this recipe to make the perfect 1-gallon homemade strawberry sweet tea, which is about 16 cups, you will need 1-gallon pitcher, about 10 cups of strong black tea. I used 7 tea bags for mine, and about 20 frozen strawberries or fresh strawberries. Make the strawberry syrup in a saucepan. You want to combine those 20 strawberries with a half cup of water and 1 cup of granulated sugar. That's where you want to start. And then the rest of your sugar, after you've steeped your 7 tea bags, you want to add another cup and a half per se to the tea and let that boil. And a little twist would be adding a little vanilla to that concoction. After your strawberry syrup is made, you want to transfer that into the tea after you remove your 7 tea bags. And make sure you scrape the pan to get all that goodness. Mash those strawberries through. If you have a colander that you can use, that's what I used. And then I scraped it into the tea and let it boil with the black tea for a little while. And stirred it up real good, made sure the sugars combined. I add a little drop of lime in there. Then it was time to make my tea. I wanted mine's hot, honey. Hot strawberry chocolate mint tea in a cup so that I could sit with my feet up. Here you see me spooning off the pulp from the strawberries. I'm actually adding it now to the 1-gallon pitcher. I did tell you how this aroma gonna fill your house, right? So my daughter, she had to come down while I was rinsing the pot and adding a little more water because she smelled all that strawberry chocolate mint tea goodness, and she got her a cup too. Don't forget to do the dishes. Now add the rest of that mint. Once it was ready, I poured myself a hot cup, and found my favorite seat by the patio window, right on cue when the Hummingbirds friends arrived for breakfast. Watching them dart from feeder to feeder reminds me to slow down and appreciate the small moments that often become the most meaningful ones. This is one of the reasons I garden, not just for the harvest, but for the peace it brings. If peaceful moments like this speak to you, I'd love to have you here. Subscribe, and let's continue growing together. One garden, one recipe, and one quiet moment at a time. I'd like to share with you how to make pretzels and fresh bread. Garden yourselves accordingly. This was Lady Empress.